Hi and welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. Today's video is part 5 of how to make a t-shirt quilt series. In the first 4 parts I showed you how to select your shirts, how to put the fusible backing on, how to put your sashing, quilt top together and the quilt sandwich. Today we're going to put it all together, quilt it and bind it, and then you'll have your very own t-shirt quilt. So let's get started. So there are many different ways to quilt your t-shirt quilt. Some people use loops and other sort of things there. The quilt police are going to hate me for this, but I stitch in the ditch. A lot of manufacturers of the batting say no more than 8 inches between each row of stitching, and some of your panels will be more than that, but I've been making these quilts for a number of years and I've never had a problem going more than 8 inches. So if you want a free motion the quilt, go for it, but I like doing it in the ditch. That way I feel the focus is on the t-shirts themselves and not the quilting. And at the end of the day I feel the focus should be on the t-shirts. So I start in the center of my quilt, I do my horizontal lines first on each side of the sashing, and then I move my way towards the bottom of the quilt, and then I start on the and then go towards the top. I find it helps if you have if you can have your sewing machine inset into your table, or failing that, one of these extension tables comes in really handy when it comes to quilting. So now that you've quilted all the horizontal lines, we're going to go do the same thing for the vertical lines. Start in the center and quilt towards the left or right side, doesn't really matter which one. And then once you've done that, go back to the center and work your way towards the other side. And we'll see you when you're done with that. Now that your quilting is done, your next step is to go ahead and trim the quilt and trim off the excess batting and backing. We are so close to being done. The only step we have now left to do is our binding. So pick a nice fabric. I always enjoy a high contrast fabric for my quilts, but use what suits you, and use the method of binding that you are used to. You bind a t-shirt quilt the same way as you would any other quilt. So go ahead and get that done, and we'll be looking forward to seeing the end result. Congratulations, you are now all done and your t-shirt quilt is complete. I hope you're proud of yourself because it's a big achievement, and I'm so happy that I was able to help you in some small way. Thank you so much for joining the tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions or any concerns about any of these steps, please reach out to me. My social media links are in the description. You can email me, you can also message me, whatever method works best for you, and I'll be more than happy to help. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you have a great day and happy sewing, and we'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.